If your income feels stuck, even though you're working harder than ever, you're not alone. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Effort is not what's missing. When you feel stuck, when your financial progress is stalled, it's natural to look for a quick fix. The prevailing wisdom, screamed from every corner of the internet, tells us the solution is simple, almost intuitive. Just work harder at your day job, learn more skills by taking online courses late into the night, try more side hustles, juggling freelance gigs, delivery apps, or online shops, hoping one of them will finally take off. So they keep pushing, fueled by caffeine and the promise that more effort equals more reward. They sacrifice sleep, weekends, and time with family, convinced they're just one more project away from a breakthrough. But months pass, then a year, maybe even several years go by. They look at their bank account, and despite all the burnout and extra hours, their income stays exactly the same. The needle hasn't moved. This isn't a story of failure. It's not because they're lazy or not trying hard enough. In fact, it's the opposite. The truth is, they're trapped in a cycle of busy work because something deeper, a fundamental piece of the puzzle, is missing. Income doesn't usually fail because of effort. It fails because effort is not connected to a system that grows. So no matter how much you do, it doesn't scale. Here's the truth most people never realize. Income only grows when three things connect properly. If even one is missing, your income stays stuck. The first pillar of sustainable growth is repeatability. This is the foundational principle that transforms a single success into a reliable system. It's about moving beyond luck and into the realm of strategy. If something works once, it must become repeatable. That initial victory is not the destination, it's a clue. The real work begins when you ask, how can I do this again, but more efficiently? You need to deconstruct that success and build a process around it. Because one-time success doesn't build income. A single viral hit or a lucky client win is exciting, but fleeting. True financial stability comes from creating systems that generate predictable results. One client should become a repeatable service. One video, a repeatable format. One skill, a packaged offer. Instead of trading hours for money, distill your expertise into a product, an ebook, a workshop, or a course. This decouples your time from your income. If you can't repeat it, you can't scale it. Scalability is the holy grail of business growth, and it is fundamentally impossible without repeatability. Without a system, your growth is limited by your personal time and energy. The second pillar is attention. This is the currency of the modern world. Without it, the best product, the most valuable service, the most brilliant idea, simply doesn't exist in the minds of your potential customers. Even if you have something valuable, it means nothing if no one sees it. You can spend months perfecting your craft, but if it remains hidden, its value is effectively zero. No attention equals no opportunity, no clicks, no calls, no sales. It's a silent, invisible barrier to progress. You can't get feedback, build a community, or generate revenue. This is where most people fail. They build skills, but stay invisible. They fall in love with creation and neglect distribution, believing that if they build it, people will magically come. But the digital world is too crowded for that. You must actively seek attention. Without it, nothing moves. All your effort and potential remains locked up, waiting for the key that is attention. Finally, the third pillar, conversion. This is where attention meets action. It's the critical process of turning viewers into customers, followers into clients, and traffic into revenue. It's the bridge between being seen and being paid. Attention alone is not enough. Getting thousands of views feels good, but it doesn't pay the bills. This is the great frustration of many entrepreneurs. They solve the attention problem only to face a new one, a silent audience that looks but doesn't leap. Why do they hesitate? Because the offer isn't clear, the message isn't strong, or trust isn't built yet. If they don't immediately understand what you're selling and why it's for them, they'll leave. And if they don't trust you, they won't risk their money. So traffic comes in but money doesn't. This is a leaky bucket. You're doing the hard work of getting attention, only to lose the opportunity at the final step. Optimizing for conversion means plugging those leaks by clarifying your offer, strengthening your message, and systematically building trust. So, when you combine this, you realize something powerful. Most people are not stuck because they lack effort. They're stuck because one part of their system is broken. If you're struggling with your business, it's easy to fall into a trap of asking the wrong questions. We often get stuck on one big, overwhelming question that feels impossible to answer. Instead of asking, why am I not making money? This question is a dead end. It's vague, emotionally charged, and leads to frustration, not solutions. It makes the problem feel personal and insurmountable. To find a real path forward, you need to reframe your approach. Treat your business like a system, a machine with interconnected parts. Start asking, what part of my system is not working properly? This is a powerful shift. It's an analytical, unemotional question that invites diagnosis and targeted action. Break it down. Is it attention? Are enough of the right people finding you? Is it conversion? Are you effectively turning that attention into customers? Or is it repeatability? Can you deliver your product or service consistently and profitably? Identify the single biggest bottleneck in that system and fix one first. Not everything. This focused effort is what creates momentum and leads to real, sustainable growth. Because the moment one piece gets fixed, everything starts changing. Repeatable income replaces random income. Attention becomes consistent, conversion becomes predictable, and slowly, income stops feeling random and starts becoming structured. This is what most people never realize. It's not about doing more things, it's about fixing the right thing. If this made sense, subscribe to the channel, and if you want deeper breakdowns and strategies, join the newsletter too.